Look at this sponge. It is full of water. When someone needs a drop of water, we give it to them. Squeeze. When someone else needs water, we give it to them. Squeeze. But what happens when the sponge is dry? If you give everything away, you have nothing left for yourself. Today's story is about a young man who was too nice. He had to learn the hardest word in the English language. Let's listen to The Heavy Yes. Meet Leo. Leo is 25 years old. He works from home. He's a freelance video editor. He spends all day at his computer, cutting videos, making thumbnails, and adding music. Leo loves his job, but he has a big problem. Leo is a people pleaser. A people pleaser is someone who always wants everyone to be happy. If someone asks Leo for help, he always says yes. He thinks saying yes makes him a good person. He thinks saying no makes him selfish. It is a busy Thursday afternoon. Leo has a lot of his own work to do. He needs to finish a big project for a client by tomorrow morning. Suddenly, his phone vibrates. Biz, biz. It is a text message from his friend Mark. Mark is a nice guy, but he is very disorganized. The message says, "Hey Leo, I have a huge favor to ask. I made a video for my sister's wedding. Can you edit it for me? It needs to be done tonight. Please, you are the best." Leo stares at his phone screen. His stomach feels tight. He looks at the clock. It is 4 p.m. If he edits Mark's video, he will have to stay awake all night to finish his own client's project. Leo's brain says, "Tell him you are too busy. Say no." But his fingers do not listen. He is terrified that Mark will be angry. He is afraid Mark will stop being his friend. So he types, "Sure, Mark, send it to me. No problem." He sends the text. It is a lie. It is a very big problem. That night, Leo does not sleep. He drinks 3 cups of black coffee. He sits in the dark and edits the wedding video for free. Then he works until 6 a.m. to finish his own client's project. The next day, Leo is exhausted. He feels like a dry sponge. His eyes are red. He has a headache. Mark sends him a text. "The video is great. Thanks, bro." Leo looks at the message. He does not feel happy. He does not feel like a good friend. He feels angry, but he is not angry at Mark. He is angry at himself. 2 weeks pass. Leo is finally feeling rested. He's having a peaceful Wednesday evening. He's eating dinner and watching a movie. His phone vibrates. Biz, biz. It is Mark again. "Hey Leo, my boss needs a quick promotional video for our company. Can you edit it for me tonight? I'll buy you a pizza next week." Leo stops eating. The movie is playing, but he doesn't hear it. Mark is asking him to do free professional work for a pizza. Leo feels that heavy, tight feeling in his stomach again. He opens his keyboard. He starts to type. "Sure, Mark, send it over." But then he stops. He looks at his hands. He remembers the red eyes. He remembers the headache. He realizes something very important. Every time he says yes to Mark, he is saying no to himself. He is saying no to his own sleep, his own peace, and his own free time. Leo deletes the message. Backspace, backspace. He decides he must draw a line. He must set a boundary. A boundary is an invisible fence that protects your energy. It takes massive courage to set a boundary with a friend. Leo's heart is beating very fast. Thump, thump. He types a new message. "Hey Mark, I'm glad you liked the last video, but I cannot edit this one. I am totally booked with my own work tonight. I hope you understand." Leo reads the message. It is polite, it is kind, but it is a clear no. His thumb hovers over the send button. His fear wakes up. He will hate you, the fear whispers. He will call you selfish. Leo closes his eyes. He takes a deep breath. He presses send. Swoosh. He puts the phone face down on the table. He is terrified. He waits for the explosion. 3 minutes later, bzz, bzz. Leo slowly turns the phone over. He expects to see an angry, long message. He reads Mark's reply. "Oh, no worries, man. I completely understand. You are always working so hard. I will just edit it myself on my phone. Have a good night." Leo blinks. He reads it again. No worries? Mark is not angry. Mark does not hate him. The friendship is not broken. All of Leo's fear was just an illusion. It was a fake story in his head. Leo smiles. He feels a huge weight lift off his chest. He finishes his dinner. He watches the rest of his movie. He goes to bed at 10 p.m. and sleeps for 8 beautiful hours. Leo learns that a real friend will respect your no. If someone gets angry because you set a boundary, they were only using you. Saying no does not make you a bad person. It makes you a healthy person. It keeps the sponge full of water. My friends, look at your own phone. Look at your own life. Who are you giving all your water to? Are you saying yes when your mind and your body are screaming no? We think that being nice means doing everything for everyone, but you cannot pour water from an empty cup. Have the courage to protect your time. Have the courage to send the difficult text message. No is a complete sentence. Use it. Thank you for watching The Heavy Yes. Protect your energy today.